Welcome back, viewers. The BJP is up in arms because of a statement by Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. Speaking in Hyderabad, Revanth Reddy likened the Prime Minister to a cobra who would come back to bite the farmers. His attack was in reference to the government being forced to roll back the 3 controversial farm laws. Let's listen to Revanth Reddy.
కానీ మోడీ కాల నాగులా అంటోడు, తోక దొక్కుతే ఊకునే టైపు కాదు. పగ పెట్టుకుంటాడు, పగ పడతాడు, ఎక్కడున్నా ఇడవడు. అందుకే ఈ ఎన్నికల్లో ఎట్లయినా 400 సీట్లు గెలవాలి, రాజ్యాంగాన్ని సమూలంగా మార్వాలి, ఈ దేశంలో ఉండే రైతులను అదాని అంబానీలకు బానిసలుగా మార్చాలి, ఈ దేశంలో ఉండే దళితులు గిరిజనుల బలైన వర్గాల రిజర్వేషన్లు రద్దు చేయాలని కంకణం కట్టుకొని బయలుదేరి.
The BJP has hit back. Let's listen in to a string of Saffron Party leaders who are outraged at the Chief Minister's remarks.
It is the Congress party that has robbed the Dalits and the BCs, the Dalits and others from reservation by giving an illegal 4% reservation based on religion that is unconstitutional to Muslims merely to satisfy their Muslim appeasement policy. So if you are claiming that Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is a Kala Nag or Kala Sarp, keep on dreaming, because he is going to do what he has to do, that is further alleviate poverty and put India on the world map, which he's already done, and you can wallow in your own tears.
On the one hand, Prime Minister Modi has mission and vision for the nation, and those who are only about their commission and corruption have only their frustration, and in their frustration they are now down to the politics of abuse and division. This abuse by Revanth Reddy is actually not words of Revanth Reddy ji. It is the Atma and spirit of Rahul Gandhi ji that is talking, because 100+ times the abuses have been hurled at Prime Minister Modi, and this is same Revanth Reddy who has also abused Kurmi caste, OBC caste in the past. So this kind of language, just because Prime Minister comes from a Chaiwala background, from a poor background, from a OBC Samaj, is expected from Congress party. In fact, in their strategy meetings they decide that whoever abuses Prime Minister most will get the most promotion in the party.
This typical of Congress party. Since they are losing elections, that's why they are using abusive language against the Prime Minister Modi. And this clearly reflects the frustration in the leader. This is not the first time that people like Revanth Reddy, who has used abusive language, he is saying Prime Minister is a cobra. Earlier, their party president, their party leaders have used abusive language against Prime Minister 93 times. But it doesn't help. Ultimately, people ask about your agenda, not your abuses.
We've heard both sides now, and Somit joins us. Somit, what is the deal with the Telangana Chief Minister? One day he says PM is like his elder brother, now he's calling him a cobra.
Well, because of the ongoing campaigning, back-to-back campaigning, we can say, because Telangana is heading for the polls on 4th phase, and very soon, it is going to happen, and back-to-back campaigning is going on, and the war of words between the parties are escalating day by day, and Revanth Reddy, while attacking the BJP, because on ground it looks like the battle is between the BJP and the Congress on several seats in 17. So basically, the war of words are escalating, and Revanth Reddy, while attacking the BJP, has termed Prime Minister Modi as Black Cobra, and he keeps and holds the grudge. And he wanted, basically BJP wanted to change the constitution, basic constitution, and that is the reason they are asking for 400 seats. And public shouldn't give vote to the BJP is what he has stated, and immediately the BJP has attacked the Congress, stating that it's the Congress party who has robbed the BCs, SCs and STs, and given the reservation, illegal reservation to the Muslims, 4% reservation, and they are now speaking about Prime Minister Modi, for whom several people are praising, even foreign nations like Jamie are praising Prime Minister Modi, and Revanth Reddy and also Congress leaders are blaming Prime Minister Modi is what BJP is attacking basically.
All right, so that's what it comes down to, really speaking. It's high-pitched campaigning for the elections. Shomit, I thank you for sharing these details with us. Viewers, there is more likely to come, controversial remarks from all sides, and whatever is already going on, we'll bring you all that and more. Stay with us, we're slipping into a short break.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स, टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.